Welcome to a video of spectrophotometer by Abron. This is a visible region spectrophotometer and the range is up to 1000 nm right from 320. I give you, this is the range. I can show you. See this is 320. You can see the 320. It can go up to 1000. Now I show you, it's going up to 1000 nm. See this 1000 is there. Now if as per the requirement of the buyer, he is interested to do experiment, say at 7, I am now putting it on 760. Okay, now there are 4 coverts. We provide 4 coverts. There are 4. I have already put it in this. One software CD is there, one RS232. There is a power. Here you have the power button, fuse, on off switch, and on the back side I show you. On the back side there is one printer output. This is the printer output, and now I show you from the other points the working parts. Now I am just, before using it, I have just kept it on for half an hour. So the covert, I am just put it, I can put it here, here or here, anywhere, but better to put it in a straight line. All the coverts you want to test the samples. First of all, this distilled water covert is the first one to put it. I am just pushing it out. This is you just see there is a graduation, here is a G written. That means there is a glass covert. This one is a glass covert. You can use the quartz also. This is 10 mm by 10 mm coverts. It has a square coverts. The cap is there, but I have seen that if you put the cap, it can sometimes fall here. So better keep it open. Water should be put, minimum is half or more than half. So distilled water is, I am just holding the covert from both the sides, which are opaque. You cannot see this. This is a transmitter. Light will pass through it. So this is a way it should be put. The light will come from this section and it will pass through the covert and go to another section on the right side. There is another, this section is a light will go from one section to the another. And now I am putting it in the covert, just pushing. See that there is no fingerprint, or it is, if it is there, you have to clean it thoroughly, and then you have to push it to the bottom. Now in the second cuvette also I have put the water, but which is on the higher side, little more. In the third cuvette I have just put the water with the cello pen, gel pen, this solution. I have just kept it just so that a color is generated. You can put it by potassium dichromate or any other standard solution. You can put the one distilled water, one standard solution, percentage, known concentration. I have put it a black color, and this one is, I have put it, there is one curd I have taken. This curd water, almost 50% or more than 50% water, just to check that this bacteria are there which are absorbing. Now I can close it. Now I tell you the parts of this. This is the dial for, you can change the scale of the frequency of the this wavelength, and this has a transmission, absorption, factor and concentration. 4 modes are there. You can select the mode from transmission to absorption, then factor and concentration, how much concentration is there. I can put it back to transmission. On transmission, just put the first cuvette, which is the first one here, pushed it inside. Now one cuvette is there visible, and I can adjust the transmission to 100%. I can push it to 100%. Without adjusting, it will become 100. Now it has become 100. Now I can just take out the one cuvette to the second one. It shows 97.3 is the percentage. This is with the black color, 87 point this, and I have put it again with the this last one, which is a curd, only water part is there, which is showing that this is the transmission is 19.5, 19.8 is the transmitted light. Now I can push it back to the first cuvette, and in the mode I can go to absorption. On the absorption mode, I can see this should be 0. I can adjust it. It will become 0, 0, 0. Nothing is being absorbed in this. I can just push it little more, very little water is there, not clear. It is 0.11. I can go on the black one color, 0.053, and from this I can go to the curd water, which is 0.697. Similarly, I can go with the other factors. I can go with the concentration factor and factors and concentration. So there are concentrations. You can do the readings, which is now water is absorbing. This is the concentration of something is inside 56, and in the solution there is 694. The maximum I can do the same test by transmission on 500. Let me show you. I can make it 500 as I got an intimation the light is falling and it is just making a line on the 500. Now I can make it 0. It is on 0. The reading will again, I can start working 0. First, little water, very small, 98.7 transmission with the black color 84.4, and this is 22.8, 22.3 is the concentration. Similarly, I can do with other modes. And now there is a manual. This CD is for if you put the calibrated this CD on the computer and with the connecting to the software, known concentration, there is a graph which will come as per the concentration. The known concentration will be there and unknown concentration can be known how much is there. The spectrometer, visible spectrophotometer manual is there, detailed manual. It tells you warranty symbols and what are the index, which are the specifications. It tells you 320 to 1000 and minimum wavelength accuracy is point plus minus 2 nm, and bandwidth is 5 nm. And these are the scale, how much is the absorption percentage, how much is the 0.1% absorption factor, and this, and how much. What are the parts? Main unit, 4 cuvettes and positioning cell section. Now I tell you these are the different parts which I have already told you. This is on-off switch, and this is power cord and RS-232. These are all parts are there. Percentage, factor, function key, mode key, cell. Transmission is this LED display data, absorption, how much display factor, how much display concentration, power source, fuse, and other RS-232. These are there. There are instructions. You can check from there how to use it, how to do it. Basically, I have told you how to measure. Measuring operation is first let it warm up for 30 seconds, then you put it on 100% transmission, and then press 0 adjustment is presses and it becomes 100. When adjustment 100 is done, then you put the cuvettes and see the wavelength, adjust the wavelength, and you can read the readings. Similarly, you can do the similar filter system is already there. 340 to 380 range is there, and 340 380 range. All these papers are. It tells you 100% transmission measurement, what are the factors, what are to be done, and how the data of the transmission is to be calculated. Then practically, this I have told you what the steps are to be taken. Wavelength select, put the blank, then transmission scale to 100%, then decide which filter you want to use, adjust to the constant and adjust 0. Finally, then you can see this, place the sample and record the data. Similarly, you can do with the absorption transmission. Same system is there with the absorption scale. Same is, we have given the full details on this. And if there is a problem, there are problem solutions to that. You can do all. Light source is very careful, you must keep it. And there are another full detailed manual is there. On the manual we have shown some of the things. Power is not working, what is to be done, display is not coming, no energy detection, light is to be done, and then 100% transmission, insufficient light energy, so many abnormal samples if it is not stable, data input level, so many other things. Please visit the website, subscribe to our channel, and this is the website abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com. Please visit. These are the WhatsApp number. You can send us on WhatsApp and send us. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and get regular updates of the videos. Thank you.